everyone, my name is Abdullah, and guys, this video is especially for you guys because you guys have requested me to start video tutorial on CCNA routing and switching, because a lot of students actually told me, and a lot of comments I got on my Facebook account, that I should start CCNA routing switching 200-125 exam code tutorials. And just want to tell you guys, I've been teaching this from past 4 years in one of the institute in India. So I would be going through each and every topic during the tutorials. So I would like to tell you few things that you should keep in mind during this journey of our learning CCNA routing and switching, that is version 3. So first thing, I actually would like to tell you that people even ask me which book should I refer for CCNA routing and switching 200-125. So I've read two books actually. The one book is wrote by Todd Lammle, and another book is wrote by Wendell Odom. So both the books are good, but if your budget is less and you want to learn, and even for beginners, I would be recommending Todd Lammle's book. Or if you want to go for Wendell Odom, you can go for Wendell Odom's book. So whatever I would be teaching, it is actually going to match both the books, because the CCNA concept is actually same both the sides. So but for beginners, I would be recommending to go for Todd Lammle's book, because there are simply explanation which are very simple with great scenarios in real life. So I would be recommending you guys to go for that. The second thing I would be like to tell you that please, whatever I would be teaching you, please note it down, because that will help you to revise, and you can actually, it will help you, because when you write, you actually get remember a lot of things because you have wrote all these things. And the thing is that our session would be both theoretical and practical, so we are going to enjoy our tutorials very much. The third thing I would be like to tell you that please do not skip any tutorial, or because we think that sometimes there would be some topics that you think that you know this topic, but and you will skip that topic. So guys, sometimes it is like that, you think you know it but you don't know it, or you don't know it 100%. So there would be some things inside my tutorial that you won't be knowing. So please never skip the tutorials, and just watch every tutorial full, because few minutes won't harm you, but few minutes can save you from failing in your Cisco exam, or scoring good will help you to score good in your Cisco global certifications exams. And one more question that people actually ask me, should I appear ICND 1 and ICND 2 differently, or should I go for CCNA directly? So guys, it's up to you what you want to do, but the thing is that if you appear both differently, ICND 1 and ICND 2, that will help you to clear the exams easily, because your portions are divided, but that will cost you somewhere $5 extra. Or else you can just appear CCNA directly, which you, if you have confidence and you are actually experienced in somewhere in the CCNA, then you can go for CCNA directly. So guys, we are going to start a tutorial. So I would be uploading my tutorial soon, and I'm right now not sure on which time, on which date I would be uploading my tutorial. So whenever I would be uploading my videos, I would be telling you that my proper timetable. Just give me some time when I would be uploading it. So guys, thank you for watching it. I hope so you like this video, and please, if you are really gonna study, and if you have friends which are which want to study CCNA routing and switching, so please even share these videos with them, share my channel with them, and please like this video if you like it, and keep watching my technical nugget. Thank you.